Guys, this one available din, 168 square meter, corner lot. Kagandahan nito, medyo mas malaki yung carport niya dito. Sa iba kasi medyo mas maliit eh. But this one is mas malaki. And then this one, sa promo, it's around 4.2. Pag hindi naka-promo, it's around 5.2. So, ayan. If you have 2 cars naman, pwede mong i-remove to kasi it's not owned by Meralco, it's yours. So, pwede mong i-move yan, transfer mo doon. Ayan, mas malaki to. Yan, ganyan. Ito naman yung neighbors mo. Medyo may magaganda kang kapitbahay. Magaganda na kasi extended na. Ito hindi pa na-turn over. So, ayan. It's fit if you have 2 or 3 car eh. Ang laki ng parking mo. Ganda, laki oh. So, ito yung magiging kapitbahay.